Hello guys, welcome back. If you want more of these, please message me. Don't hesitate to message, okay? I can be your tutor. I can also do some commissions including assignments. I can help you get through with it, okay? Also for college entrance tests, for the DST scholarship examinations, as well as in reviewing the LET, especially in math. How will you solve this problem? The sum of three consecutive integers is 114. What is the smallest number? Okay, so we can do trial and error, pero since alam ko sa basta mga set taker, conscious talaga tayo dapat sa rules, sa processes in solving a problem, okay? So let's try this. If we let x as the smallest number, and then since we have consecutive integers, meaning sunod-sunod, so we'll just add 1 to the smallest number, which is x. So we'll have plus x plus 1, and then next the last integer must be added by 2. So we have plus x plus 2, and then that equates to 114. Now since we have here same variables, then we can just add x plus x plus x, that is 3x. And then we have constants here, 1 plus 2, that is 3, which is equal to 114. Now, to isolate the variable, we need to do the inverse operation for this constant, which is 3. So we'll subtract both sides by 3. So we'll have 3x, 3 minus 3, which is 0, and then 114 minus 3, which is 111. Now we'll have 3x equals 111. So to isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 3. So we have x is equal to 37. So we now have the correct answer, which is 37. If you want the trial and error method, it can also be used as a form of checking if your answer is indeed correct. So since our correct answer is 37, this is trial and error method as well as our checking. Okay? So 37, unsa ang kasunod sa 37? 38. Next is 39. So i-add natin sila, 37 plus 38 plus 39. That is 114, right? So, correct ang ating sagot. Okay? You can message me, guys. Bye. See you on my next video.